Ezekiel Macharia na mutumia wake Teresia Macharia marerikana maraikinyitie cukuru-ini uyu wa Caring Heart mwana wa Matungulu kaunti ya Machakos kuoya marua ma form 1 ma muiretu wao. Cukuru uyu uteithagiriria arutwo aria maumite family iria tehotete, na Ezekiel uria kurerikana ni mutungatiri ni athomithirio mwana ungi o guku nginyagia kirathi gia form 4. No kuringana na murugamiriri wa cukuru uyu Vincent Kituko, Ezekiel ahuthirire mutumia wake kuhenania ndehotete nigetha mwerwo mwana wao cukuru-ini uyu.
Are we going to change this country if the rich wants to take away from the poor? And if the a Christian preacher, a bishop can do something like that, what about the ones who don't even have the fear of the Lord? I'm not saying we should be holier than thou, but this is truly taking advantage of the poor.
No riu cukuru uyu ni umacanukite na riu urenda family ino irihe mbeca muigana wa uria muiretu wao athomithirio nacio.
He is now required by our legal advisors to pay 450,000, and that is not even enough because actually this girl has been here and she has been taken to academic trips, sports trips, and a lot of other benefits of being in Caring Heart, and now she was not paying anything.
Thutha wa kumenyekana mubango wao, muthuri uyu na mutumia wake maumururukite cukuru-ini uyu na athoni o mundu na rita riake.
When I think about this, I think about the poor who have nothing, and then somebody who has everything takes advantage of the poor. Number one, they are also showing their children, their own children, the parents who lie. They are also showing their own children they can lie and get away with it and take advantage of the poor.
Wona family ino yaga kuriha mbeca icio, murugamiriri wa cukuru uyu ugite ni ekwoya ikinya ria watho. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Athoni wa Jihia.